Today we're diving into a fascinating study about sleep, brain flexibility, and working memory. The researchers looked at how natural sleep variations affect our brain's ability to handle memory tasks. Sounds interesting, right? Let's hear what this research reveals. What's the core finding of this study?
The main takeaway is that even without extreme sleep deprivation, natural fluctuations in sleeps significantly impact brain activity during working memory tasks. The study found that certain brain regions become more flexible, meaning they change how they connect with other brain areas after nights with less sleep. Surprisingly, this increased flexibility didn't seem to negatively affect performance on the memory test.
That's counterintuitive. So less sleep leads to more brain flexibility, but performance stays the same? How's that possible?
It suggests the brain has a remarkable ability to adapt. When sleep is reduced, it seems to compensate by recruiting more resources and reorganizing its networks to maintain performance. It's like the brain is finding workarounds to overcome the effects of less sleep.
So it's a compensatory mechanism? Can you elaborate on what that means in this context?
Exactly. The brain isn't just working harder in the same way, it's changing its strategy. It's recruiting different brain regions and strengthening connections between them to achieve the same level of working memory performance.
Which brain regions were most involved in this compensatory process?
The study identified several key areas, including parts of the visual cortex, like the cuneus and lingual gyrus, frontal cortex, pars triangularis, and temporal cortex. These regions are crucial for visual processing, decision-making, and memory.
The visual cortex? That's unexpected. What's the role of the visual cortex in working memory?
While not the primary area for working memory, the visual cortex plays a role in representing and maintaining visual information in memory. The study suggests that when sleep is reduced, the brain might rely more on visual representations to compensate for the lack of sleep.
So the brain is essentially using a different approach to the same problem when sleep is reduced.
Precisely. The increased flexibility allows the brain to reconfigure its networks, potentially by engaging more regions or strengthening connections between them to maintain performance.
How did they measure this flexibility in the brain?
They used a technique called dynamic community detection. This method analyzes how brain regions group together and change their connections over time during the working memory task. The more a region changes its connections, the more flexible it's considered.
And how long did this study run for?
It was a longitudinal study spanning 16 weeks, with participants undergoing fMRI scans and sleep monitoring every 2 weeks. This allowed them to observe natural sleep variations over a longer period.
Did they find any differences in performance based on the amount of sleep?
No, surprisingly, the participants' performance on the working memory task remained relatively consistent across different sleep levels. This further supports the idea of the brain's compensatory mechanism.
So even with significantly less sleep, like less than 6 hours, performance didn't suffer?
That's the remarkable finding. The brain's adaptability allowed participants to maintain performance despite variations in sleep.
What are the implications of this research?
It highlights the brain's resilience and its ability to compensate for daily fluctuations in sleep. It also suggests that even small reductions in sleep can lead to measurable changes in brain dynamics.
Could this have implications for understanding the effects of chronic sleep deprivation?
Absolutely. While this study focused on short-term variations, the findings could inform our understanding of the long-term effects of chronic sleep loss and potential compensatory mechanisms that might eventually fail.
This was a really insightful discussion on the fascinating interplay between sleep, brain flexibility, and cognitive performance. Thank you.